Join me as I dive into the world of Nigerian stocks and challenge myself to invest like a pro, even if I'm starting from scratch. You're about to learn how to invest like a pro in Nigerian stocks, uncovering strategies that can lead to significant returns in this emerging market. Many potential investors hesitate to dive into the Nigerian stock market due to a lack of knowledge and fear of volatility. The truth is, the Nigerian stock market can be intimidating, especially for those who are new to investing. The fear of losing money can be overwhelming, causing many to put their investment plans on hold. However, the key to overcoming this fear is to educate yourself on how the market works and to develop a solid understanding of the risks involved. Lack of knowledge is a major obstacle that prevents many people from achieving their financial goals. By acquiring the right knowledge and skills, you can navigate the Nigerian stock market with confidence and make informed investment decisions. It's essential to understand that investing in the stock market involves risk, and there are no guarantees of returns. But with the right approach, you can minimize your risk and maximize your returns. To invest like a pro in Nigerian stocks, you need to have a deep understanding of the market and its trends. You need to stay up to date with the latest economic indicators, sector performance, and company news. This knowledge will help you make informed investment decisions that can lead to significant returns. It's also essential to have a long-term perspective when investing in the stock market. This means avoiding emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations and instead focusing on your long-term financial goals. Many investors make the mistake of putting all their eggs in one basket, which can be disastrous if the company performs poorly. That's why diversification is key when investing in the Nigerian stock market. By spreading your risk across different asset classes and sectors, you can minimize your risk and increase your potential returns. It's also essential to have a solid understanding of the different investment products available in the market, including stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. The Nigerian stock market can be volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly. To navigate this volatility, you need to have a solid understanding of technical analysis and chart patterns. This knowledge will help you identify trends and make informed investment decisions. It's also essential to have a stop-loss strategy in place to minimize your losses in case the market moves against you. The Nigerian economy is heavily dependent on the oil sector, which can make it vulnerable to global economic trends. As an investor, you need to stay up to date with global economic trends and their impact on the Nigerian economy. You also need to have a deep understanding of the different sectors in the Nigerian stock market, including the banking, oil and gas, and consumer goods sectors. The performance of the Nigerian stock market is closely tied to the country's economic indicators, including GDP growth, inflation rate, and interest rate. As an investor, you need to stay up to date with these indicators and their impact on the stock market. You also need to have a deep understanding of the different companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, including their financial performance, management team, and industry trends. To capitalize on opportunities in the Nigerian stock market, you need to have a solid understanding of the different investment strategies available. One popular strategy is to focus on dividend-paying stocks, which can provide a regular income stream. Another strategy is to focus on growth stocks, which have the potential to increase in value over time. One of the most successful investors in the Nigerian stock market is a seasoned investor who has been investing for over 2 decades. He attributes his success to his ability to identify undervalued companies with strong growth potential. He also diversifies his portfolio across different sectors and asset classes, which helps to minimize his risk. Another successful investor is a young entrepreneur who made her fortune by investing in tech startups. She attributes her success to her ability to identify innovative companies with strong growth potential. She also has a solid understanding of the tech industry and its trends, which helps her to make informed investment decisions. To capitalize on opportunities in the Nigerian stock market, you need to stay informed about market trends and news. You can do this by following financial news websites, attending investor conferences, and networking with other investors. To sum up, investing in Nigerian stocks can be rewarding if approached with the right knowledge and strategies. You've learned how to overcome common challenges and seize opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and subscribe for more insights on investing.